Well, good afternoon to you, and thank you for joining my channel again today. Hang on. Wow, you're looking special today. Anyway, we recently, my wife and I recently had a little trip down to east of Glasgow and around the Steps area, and we love it there. There's so many little lochs with wildlife, ducks, geese, everything. Anyway, I knew about Gartloch Hospital. I'd read about it some time back, and because we were quite close to that area, we decided to have a visit, and of course I flew the drone. Why wouldn't you? Beautiful day, and there's so much history around that hospital. It was built as a mental hospital, and now it's in some state of disrepair. It actually was built in 1896 and it was in use for 100 years until 1996 when it closed, and since then it has fallen into disrepair. However, it is being brought back to its former glory, and it's easy to find information about it. Wikipedia is my go-to for the likes of that, so I would advise you to do the same. I'm not going to bore you with lots and lots of details on here, but I think you'll enjoy the video. It's quite an impressive set of buildings, and yeah, I just hope you enjoy it. So if you do, please do the usual, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.